hindi pwedeng mawala yon. Yun yung nakikita kong traits ng pagiging isang super kid.
And it's so nice na, you know, in this day and age, talagang na-encourage natin to become the kids that they are. And in fact, nasi-celebrate pa natin yan with events such as this.
That's so nice, guys.
Diba?
Actually, I was so surprised na meron pala tayong ganung event.
Yes.
And we celebrate them naman this time.
That's correct. This is our 9th year. Sana nung bata tayo may ganito din, di ba? Parang mas may confidence din tayo lumalaki. But we're happy that the kids these days, meron na tayong ganito. Ang last question ko naman para sa'yo is, you, alam natin na Nadine is also very much a super mom. Ano sa tingin mo yung role mo sa pag-encourage sa mga anak mo with everything that you mentioned? Kasi lahat ng mga magulang dito, alam natin, minsan it gets difficult. Tama po ba? So, as super moms or as a super parent?
Pagiging super mom, lahat tayo dito, may kanya-kanyang story, kanya-kanyang,
Isa
kanina
yun
pa
sa
siya,
mga
wait lang.
superpowers.